Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scheduled a project in Primavera P6 and clicked View Log, you've probably seen a long list of errors and warnings. Many planners ignore these messages, but experienced planners know that the schedule log is one of the most important quality checks in Primavera. In this video, I'll explain every major schedule log error, what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it. By the end, you'll know how to produce a clean, client-ready schedule. Let's get started. First, let's open the schedule log. Open your project, then go to Tools, Schedule, or simply press F9. Click Schedule, and once it finishes, select View Log. The schedule log shows your schedule statistics, the errors, and the warnings, along with details on activities, relationships, constraints, calendars, and resource information. Now let's understand each common error one by one. Error 1. Activities without predecessors. This warning means an activity has no incoming relationship. Normally, only the project start milestone should have no predecessor. So if construction activities appear here, they are disconnected from the schedule. To fix it, open the Relationships tab, assign the correct predecessor, and reschedule the project. Error 2. Activities without successors. This means an activity has no outgoing relationship. Normally, only the project finish milestone should have no successor. Open-ended activities create unreliable float calculations. To fix it, link the activity to the next logical activity or to the finish milestone and reschedule. Error 3. Actual finish greater than the dated date. This is one of the most common update errors. The actual finish date cannot be later than the project's dated date. Usually this happens because the progress engineer entered an incorrect completion date. So verify the dated date, correct the actual finish, and if necessary, update the project dated date before scheduling. Error 4. Actual start greater than the dated date. An activity cannot start after the reporting date. To fix it, verify the site progress, correct the actual start date, and update the dated date if appropriate. Error 5. Actual dates before the project start. This usually occurs after importing schedules, where actual dates exist before the official project start. Review the imported activities, correct the dates, or adjust the project start date if it's justified. Error 6. Negative float. Negative float means the project cannot meet its required completion date. Common causes include hard constraints, delays, and incorrect logics. To fix it, review the critical path, remove any unnecessary constraints, correct the logic, and reschedule. Error 7. Mandatory constraints. Mandatory start and mandatory finish constraints force activities onto specific dates regardless of the logics. These often create unrealistic schedules. Replace them with start on or after, or finish on or before. Only use mandatory constraints when they are contractually required. Error 8. Constraint violations. This means an activity violates its start or finish constraint, so the schedule cannot satisfy the required dates. Review the reason for the constraint, adjust the logic or durations, or remove the constraint if it isn't necessary. Error 9. Out-of-sequence progress. This is where a successor started before its predecessor finished. It commonly happens during construction. Review the actual site progress and select the appropriate scheduling option, either retain logic or progress override, following your project specification. Error 10. Relationship loops. This is a circular relationship. For example, activity depends on B, B depends on C, and C depends back on A. Primavera cannot calculate this sequence. To fix it, trace the loop in the log and remove the circular dependency. Error 11. Activities with invalid calendars. Activities may be using the wrong working calendar. which changes their durations and finish dates. Assign the correct project calendar and verify the resource calendars as well. Error 12. Activities with large float. A very large total float usually indicates missing logic. Check the predecessors and successors, remove any unnecessary constraints, and verify the project finish logics. Error 13. Zero duration activities. Regular activities should not have zero duration, only milestones should. So assign the correct duration or convert the activity into a milestone. Error 14. Invalid % complete. This is when the progress percentages don't match the actual dates. For example, an activity shown as 100% complete, but with no actual finish. Correct the duration %, physical %, or units %, and verify the actual start and finish dates. Error 15. Resource over-allocation. This is where resources are assigned beyond their available working hours. Although it's not always shown as an error, it affects schedule quality. Level the resources, adjust the activity dates, or increase the available resources if approved. Error 16. Longest path, not continuous. Here the critical path appears broken because of missing relationships. Review the activity logic and ensure every critical activity connects correctly, all the way from project start to project finish. Now, before submitting any schedule to your clients, always run through a professional review. Check that there are no activities without predecessors or successors. No actual finish or actual start later than the data date. No unnecessary mandatory constraints and no constraint violations. No relationship loops. No incorrect calendars. No open ends and no broken critical path. Make sure any negative float is explained, the progress updates are correct, the durations are correct, and the schedule log is clean. A clean log demonstrates a high-quality schedule, and it builds real confidence during client reviews, forensic delay analysis, and project controls reporting. So remember, the schedule log is more than just a report. It's a health check for your Primavera P6 schedule. Every time you update a project, review the log carefully, correct the errors, verify your logic, and make sure the schedule accurately reflects the project's execution plan. Good planners don't just build schedules, they build schedules that are logical, realistic, and technically sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Primavera P6 topic you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.